Hello, today I'm going to demonstrate how to create and set variables in Scratch. A variable is simply a container for information that can be referenced and manipulated by a computer program. Here we have a simple program that makes the Scratch cat jump up and down twice. When we execute it, it says I love to jump, jumps up and down. Then the Scratch cat says I really love to jump, jumps up and down again. We see that the jumping is controlled by this change in y to a positive 30 and negative 30, and again, positive 30, negative 30. We're going to replace these numbers with variables. To create a variable, you come over and select the variables option here, click make a variable, give it a meaningful name. We'll call one up, and we'll go ahead and create the other variable, and we'll call it down. Now that you've created the variables, you need to set them. So you use the set block, dragging it on to your program somewhere before you actually use the variable. So we'll start by setting the up variable to, again, positive 30. Then we'll go ahead and drag on another set block and set the down variable to a negative 30. Now that we've set the variables, we should replace the numbers that the variables represent in the code below. So we drag on the up variable, replace the positive 30, down variable, replace the negative 30. And again, up and down. Now when we rerun the code, it actually executes exactly as it did before. But one of the benefits of this is that we can quickly update the variable information, their values, to change how high Scratch Cat jumps. So we can update this to 60, and then negative 60, and run it again, and we see that the Scratch Cat will jump higher than they did before. Another benefit of variables is that they allow you to build a program before knowing all of the information. So this was a very simple explanation of how variables can be created and set in Scratch. Thank you.